If your affiliate dashboard looks like this, plenty of clicks but $0 in commissions, I need you to stop what you're doing. Do not buy another traffic course. Do not start a TikTok account. Do not go and buy solo ads. Look, when you get clicks and there is no sales, your brain naturally assumes that my traffic is bad, I need better traffic. But let me give you the bitter truth here. Right? If you send 100 people to an offer and there is no conversion, literally zero sales, then sending 1,000 people to that offer makes zero difference. You are still going to make zero sales, right? You get 1,000 rejections instead of 100 rejections. What I mean is that your traffic is not the problem. The problem is that your conversion. Now, I am assuming that the offer that you're promoting here, is the same offer that others are promoting and they are getting good results, right? But you are still not able to make any sales no matter whatever that you do to send traffic to that offer, right? So the natural problem is that your conversion mechanism is not working. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that, right? Why your current setup is repelling buyers. And I'm going to talk about 3 psychological belief shifts you must build into your funnel to turn these cold clicks into consistent affiliate commissions. This is going to be a great video, and if you watch till the end, you are going to learn something that you can apply instantly to your offers and actually start seeing results. Okay, but first let me explain everything here. So most beginners treat their affiliate business like a bucket, right? So assume this is a bucket and this is the bottom and it's full of holes here, right? And all the water, all the money you could have made is just leaking out of it, right? And this is the hose. So I'm not good at drawing, but this is water here, right? This is the traffic that you are pouring in here, right? Traffic. So all this water is just leaking out. All the money you could have made is just leaking out of it, right? So basically what they do is they send traffic to an opt-in page, they collect emails, and then they send them to the offer page, the sales page directly. Even if you add a simple thank you page, it is still not enough. Basically, you're still sending them to that offer page. So I need to explain first, like, why does this fail? Why are you not able to make money with this? Well, because you are asking a stranger to pull out the credit card before you have built any trust with them at all. If there is no trust here, they're not going to pull out the credit card and buy anything from you, right? Imagine walking up to a stranger and you ask him to buy something for $500, buy your $500 offer, or even $50, or let's just say even $10 worth of something, and they are going to flat out reject you. They would simply walk away. But online, right? In this online world, we are expecting the strangers to do exactly that. How does that make any sense at all? So to fix the bucket here, to fix the bucket and fill out that hole, your funnel has to do one specific job, right? One specific job here. And that is to shift prospects' beliefs, right? Shift their beliefs before you ever show them the price of the offer that you're promoting. So before someone buys an affiliate product from you, especially a high ticket one, they have 3 massive walls up, and if your funnel doesn't break those walls down, you're not going to make any money. You're going to make 0 sales. So the first wall, the number 1, would be the vehicle belief. Take notes, guys, this is very important. And what's the vehicle belief? That means they don't believe that the vehicle that you showed them works. For example, if you're selling a YouTube course, they think that YouTube is too saturated, it doesn't work anymore. So your funnel's first job is to prove that the vehicle that you're promoting is the only logical way to move forward. Okay? And number 2, right? Number 2 is the internal belief. And what internal belief means is that even if the people believe that the method works, they don't believe they can do it, right? They don't have belief in themselves. It's like, I'm not good enough, I'm not technical enough, I am an introvert, I hate camera, right? So the second job of your funnel is to show them exactly how to bypass their personal limitations. And Number three, it would be the external belief. And that means they believe that outside forces will stop them. For example, I don't have enough time, I don't have enough money. So your funnel, the third job of your funnel is to provide the work around, provide the solution right there, provide the work around, like, a 20-minute schedule, a 20-minute daily schedule, right? So if you just send people directly to a link, it simply wouldn't work. But if you build a bridge using these three, techniques here, if you build a bridge here, and by bridge, I mean a specific set of pages and content, that automatically destroys these three beliefs here, these three objections, right? And once you successfully do that, the resistance to the sales simply vanishes. It just goes out, right? There is no resistance anymore. By the time they actually exposed to the affiliate offer, exposed to the checkout page and see the actual price, buying is the only logical conclusion, the only logical next step. I hope you understand this, right? I'm taking my time to actually show you this, which I spent money to learn. Now, I hope you understood everything that I showed in here. Now, you might be wondering, like, what exactly? Yes, you understood the analogy. You understood that you need to shift beliefs in order to sell the offer and make money. But how exactly that you do it, right? You understood this, but how exactly that you incorporate this into your, into your affiliate offer promotions or whatever that you sell. So if you want to see how exactly this is done and how I am using a highly specific automated structure to sell high ticket offers, you need to click that first link in the description. It will take you to a free training that shows you the exact psychology of how to peel back those false beliefs automatically so you can make high ticket sales without ever sending a cold DM or going to Zoom calls and such, right? They are simply draining. So everything rounds off to stop buying the traffic, stop buying another course. You need to fix your bucket first here. So go ahead, click the link in the description, watch the free banana funnel training, and I will see you there.